Hi viewers, I think you probably waited for a live trading session in the morning, and I would like to tell you that so from now onwards we will record the video after finishing our trading, and the reason is sometimes we are facing issues and we could not continue, and people think that that was the only completed one. No, yesterday also. So by the end of the telecast was stopped. It was our account was in a negative of around 60 to 50,000 range minus, and that means we are in loss. So our loss went up to 72,000 also. Okay, yesterday, but actually we closed our trading yesterday with a positive profit of around 23,000 yesterday. Okay, so after 1 month trading, also I will show you ledger also, not an issue. And today, so morning, you see Nifty. This is gift Nifty, which is highlighted here, right side, and we have our Nifty also. Just very recently, few minutes only, it has turned into green. So morning, whole day they were trading in red, and when Bank Nifty came into positive morning, I thought it is likely to fall. Just see, I prefer in watching the chart in 1 minute time frame, and when it is moving higher, I added put options and I was scalping put option side only, expecting any time Bank Nifty also may start falling. But to see my surprise, it did not fall. Anyways, I did not trade continuously, waited for opportunities and made profit. And most of the 90%, 95, 99% of my profit is made in put options only. And you see, most probably Bank Nifty started moving upward from this point here around 11:50 to 2 o'clock. It started moving higher. At this point, I think so. It's banks only have drawn Nifty to positive by the end of the session. Now the time is around 3:20. Sorry. Right. So now let me show you my profit